Good morning, students. I am Deepa Jain. Today we are starting chapter 1 of Social Studies. Our topic is Solar System. I think you already know about it. Now I am going to explain topic. बच्चों, आपने कभी घर से बाहर निकल के रात में आकाश की ओर देखा ही होगा। आकाश में बहुत सारे तारे, प्लैनेट्स, उपग्रह और चंद्रमा, सन, ये सब दिखाई देते। अब आप सोचेंगे कि मैंने सन क्यों बोला। हाँ, सन भी एक स्टार ही है, आप समझ ही जाएंगे आगे। Our solar system is a teeny part of the vast universe, which is full of stars, planets and satellites. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are made of hot gases. They have their own heat and light. They are called stars. The sun is a star. समझ गए आप कि सन भी एक स्टार है. The sun looks bigger than the other stars shining at night in the sky. The other stars look so teeny because they are very far from us. We cannot see the moon and all these bright teeny objects during the day time because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the sky. The universe consists of millions of galaxies. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars which are held together by the force of gravity. गैलेक्सी एक बहुत बड़ा सिस्टम है, तारों का बंच होता है, बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार, जो कि ग्रेविटी के द्वारा बॉन्ड होता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द गैलेक्सीज appear to be scattered in the space, but there are many galaxies which remain clustered into groups. Our own galaxy is called the Milky Way, which appears as a river of bright light following through the sky. Our solar system is a part of the galaxy. Asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids, a large rocky body in space in orbit around the sun. ये बहुत बड़ा पत्थर का पिंड होता है जो कि सन के चारों ओर चक्कर काटता है, और ये जुपिटर और मार्स के बीच का पार्ट होता है. Besides stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous bodies which also move round the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. Asteroids are minor planets which lie in a vast ring between the orbit of Jupiter and Mars. जैसा कि मैंने आपको अभी बताया ही था. These are said to be fragments of a large planet disrupted long ago. Ceres, the first to be discovered, is the largest asteroid having a diameter of 670 km. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. ये एस्टेरॉइड से थोड़े छोटे होते हैं, होते पत्थर के ही टुकड़े हैं, लेकिन ये थोड़े छोटे होते हैं. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. They become luminous by friction on entering the Earth's atmosphere and are popularly called shooting stars. During this process of friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. Sometimes a matter, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. 29 अप्रैल 2020 के दिन एक एस्टेरॉइड्स आकर पृथ्वी की तरफ से ही गुजरा, लेकिन इसने कोई नुकसान नहीं दिया पृथ्वी को. यह भी हमारे यहाँ की लेटेस्ट ही न्यूज़ है. कॉन्स्टेलेशंस. अ कॉन्स्टेलेशन इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ फिक्स्ड स्टार associated with an imaginary figure. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. You can see a group of 7 stars in the sky. It is the most easily recognizable constellation. It is called the Small Bear or Saptarishi, 7 Rishi sages. It forms parts of the large Ursa Major constellation. Pole stars. In ancient times, it was used to determine direction during the night. It points to the north direction and therefore it is also called the North Star. It always remains in the same direction in the sky. We can locate its position with the help of the Saptarishi. Look at the following figure. You will notice that if an imaginary line is drawn joining the pointer stars and extended further, it will point to the pole star. अब मेन टॉपिक में और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द सोलर सिस्टम. Our solar system comprises of the sun, 8 planets and their moons यानी कि सैटेलाइट. It also consists of some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids, जैसा कि आप ऊपर पढ़ ही चुके हैं. अब मैं आपको इस टेबल की सहायता से सोलर सिस्टम को समझाऊंगी. बच्चों, सोलर सिस्टम यानी कि सौर मंडल 4.5 अरब साल पुराना है, 4.6 बिलियन ईयर्स. इसमें 8 प्लैनेट्स हैं: मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. जैसा कि आप डायग्राम में देख भी सकते हैं. सन के पास मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, फिर अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपच्यून एंड प्लूटो लास्ट. एंड 5 ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट्स यानी कि बोने ग्रह कहते हैं. सीरीज, प्लूटो, एरिस, हयूमिया एंड मेकमेक. देन मून एक सैटेलाइट. इसके बाद है उल्कापिंड यानी एस्टेरॉइड्स, जो कि 796354 सितंबर 2019 तक देखे गए. देन कॉमेट्स 4143 जो कि सितंबर 2019 तक देखे गए. The 8 planets of our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, the 8 planets of our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All these 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path. ये एक फिक्स पाथ पे ही सन के चारों ओर चक्कर लगाते हैं. दिस पाथ्स आर एलोंगेटेड. दे आर कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. और इसे हम ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. जिस पथ पे ये चक्कर काटते हैं उसे हम ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. द टाइम टेकन बाय ईच प्लैनेट टू रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सन. सन की दूरी से ही इनका समय निर्धारित होता है कि ये कितनी देर चक्कर काटते हैं. मर्क्यूरी बीइंग नियरेस्ट टू द सन टेक्स ओनली 88 days टू कंप्लीट 1 राउंड अलोंग इट्स ऑर्बिट, while Neptune being farthest from the sun takes about 165 years to complete 1 round. Our Earth is sometimes called a unique planet. Why? क्योंकि पृथ्वी पर ही जीवन पाया जाता है और किसी भी प्लैनेट पर जीवन की संभावना नहीं है. Because it is neither too far from the sun not too near. It has optimum distance from the sun. It is believed to be the only planet where all forms of life can survive. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. समझ ही गए होंगे आप. यहाँ पर पानी, हवा की पूरी व्यवस्था होने के कारण हम यहाँ पूरा सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं. इसीलिए लाइफ अर्थ पर ही बंधी हुई है. More than 2/3 part of the Earth's surface is covered with water, so it called a blue planet. If you look from the space, it appears to be blue. It is the 5th largest planet. Its shape is described as geoid because it is slightly flattened at the pole. The moon, it is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Its diameter is only 1/4 of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,000 kilometers away from the Earth. The moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the Earth. Over 59% of the moon's surface is directly visible from Earth. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. It has mountains. So हमारा लेसन कंप्लीट हो चुका है. Dear student, hope you understand the topic well. Now I am sending you the worksheet related to the chapter. Worksheet. Question 1. Describe the solar system with the help of the diagram. Question 2. What are celestial bodies? तो बच्चों, stay safe, stay home.